Now with reference to inflation, which of the following statement is correct? Phenomenon of stagflation is validated by Phillips curve. Okay. So if you notice, if you have studied the concept of stagflation and Phillips curve, okay, Phillips curve says that, if there is high, if the inflation is high, if inflation rate is high, unemployment will be low. This is what Phillips curve says that. But stagflation is high inflation and high unemployment. So during stagflation, that is, stagflation means high inflation and the economies have stagnated. So when the economy stagnates, there will be high unemployment. So basically, stagflation have contradicted the Phillips curve. So Phillips curve says that during high inflation, unemployment will be low, but what is stagflation? When there is high inflation, unemployment will be high. So first statement is wrong. It has not validated Phillips curve, it has contradicted Phillips curve. Core inflation measures inflation based on the items of volatile price. In core inflation, volatile items are removed. Okay, core inflation, volatile price, for example, energy, fuel, etc. Okay, so those components, food items are removed from core inflation. So in core inflation, volatile items are removed, not they are included. So B is also wrong. Repayment of public debt by government control inflation. Okay, when the government repay public debt, it infuses money, it injects money, and so there will be more money supply. More money supply means inflation cannot be controlled, inflation will rise only. So third statement is also wrong. Deflation. This is the persistent fall in general level of prices. This statement is correct. So answer is D. Now, which of the following allows the company to issue more shares in an IPO when there is greater demand from participant in initial offer? Okay, it is Greenshoe option. They can ask you what is this Greenshoe option. Okay, so in an initial public offer, okay, a company decides if a company decides for an IPO of 10,000 crore. Imagine a company want. So in the initial public offer, the company is going to raise 10,000 crore. But there is huge demand for the shares of the company. There have been huge demand. So when there is huge demand for the shares of the company have the option to increase the number of shares and can raise more money. This option which the company uses maybe the initial plan of the company was to issue 10 lakh share and get a fund of 10,000 crore. But if there is huge demand, the company will change the strategy. It will issue 15 lakh crore share, 5 lakh share will be increased, and thereby it will raise 15,000 crore instead of the initial 10 crore planned. This option used by the company by increasing the share and raising more money is what is called as Greenshoe option.